Alright.
The man gonna give us $10 if we do it.
Say it again?
No. The man gonna give us $10.
Alright.
And we gotta divide it, son. Divide that $10.
The bird is up there. Wait, yeah, go.
Watch out.
The egg just dropped right there.
Right now, look. Right now.
The bird had an egg. Look at the baby egg. Damn, this bullshit. Damn, it had eggs.
Son, yo, you know what we could do? Hit the thing, and then it might fall.
Ew, look at
Ew, it's going in it. I'm not touching that.
Give me it. Let me throw it.
What's up?
Hey! Fuck. Oh, I touched it. Give me it. Get it. Oh.
Yeah. Get that away! Hey, boy, man, dirty. Yo, you gotta wash that.
Me, I'm keeping it right there. I can get another one. Hi. What's your name, mister?
There you go.
What's your name, mister?
Keisha.
My name is Kareem. Ew! He said we can... No, you're not gonna break the window. Just go in. Go ahead.
Yo, this is $10.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Worth $10.
Ew. It got on her skin too. I wish this could light.